you will be undergoing training on good governance and the rule of law under the theme Enhancing the Ability of the Bench and the Bar in East Africa to promote and expand the East African civic space through the East African Court of Justice architecture. I am always delighted to be in the presence of judges, and particularly to take part in judges' training. As has been said, I did serve as the president of the Court of Appeal of the Republic of Kenya, and also as the founder director of the East African Judicial Training Institute. And therefore, this training is a welcome opportunity for me to interact and share my perspective with the honorable judges of this court. Honorable President, when we broached the subject of training judges in Kenya, there was a lot of resistance. And the judges expressed the notion that you can't train judges. Judges don't need to be trained. We are the law. We make the law. Who would have the audacity of seeking to train us? That was the general attitude. And I say this because we have come a very, very long way. I have had the privilege to sit in Arusha at the Education Committee, and sometimes I chaired that committee. And I know the challenges and the obstacles that have been on our path over those years. And I therefore most humbly commend you, Honorable Lady Justices and Honorable Mr. Justices, for the role you continue to play and to subject yourselves, for lack of another phrase, to a training such as this.